Both supposed to and meant to are used to talk about things we expect, but they have different meanings. Supposed to is used when there is a rule, a duty, or an expectation. It means something should happen because of a law or a plan. Both of these expressions are always followed by the infinitive form of a verb, which is the base action word, like eat, arrive, or call. For example, you can say, "You are not supposed to eat inside the library because it is a rule." Another example is, "The train is supposed to arrive at 5 o'clock, which means that is the schedule." Meant to is used when we talk about a purpose or an intention. Just like the first expression, it is followed by the infinitive form of the verb to show what someone wanted to do or why something was created. For example, you can say, "I meant to buy some milk, but I completely forgot," which means that was your plan. Another example is, "This new tool is meant to open tough jars," which means that is its purpose. Tell me in the comments something that you are supposed to do every day.